What's up YouTube, 8th gen Corolla here, and we're just going to do a quick air filter change. I'm going to link everything down below. I'll link a ton of stuff for the 8th gen Corolla / Chevy Prizm. Here's the intake, here's the air filter box. So you want to start with just these two little clips, just pull them towards you and you'll have just enough room to open this up and slip the old filter out. Nice and dirty, and my seal was drying out, you can see that. So note the orientation. Pop this open, compare the parts. You know, you don't have to remove the intake hose, but if you want to, it's just this ring clamp right here. It's looks like a 10mm or a Phillips. Take that off. This hard hose, this hard snout here, and then you can get the whole box up if you want to vacuum out inside of the air cleaner box. But you have just enough room to where you can hold it open. And you can just drop the filter in. Let me get you a close up on the back because it's got interesting little tab hinges that you got to line up just right for the cover to drop right on top and to close these two tabs. So hold on, I'm coming around the back here and you can see that these little tongues, you have to push them, you have to sort of angle up the front. I'm going to call this the front. You sort of angle it up and you have to push these in like that. You have to seat those first in the back, and then after you do that, it'll let you seat these, the front, and those sit in this little groove right there. Okay, so you have to make sure those are both seated, and then you can bring up your clips. Like, it'll trick you, you'll seat it in the front, but it'll be still lifted up on the back, and then you'll have a gap on your air filter box. So just make sure you're seated all the way around. Quick air filter change, hope that helps. 8th gen Corolla, Chevy Prizm, and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See ya. Check out the links down below. I got all the parts.